Warning. Crafting with fur fabric will create a fur explosion in your home similar to its distant cousin, glitter. Fur will be everywhere, all over the floor, your clothes, your face, your hair, your pets, your friends, your family. It will cover everything you own. Nothing is safe. Alright friends, so I started off this craft with finding a pattern for a bucket hat, cutting out the pieces, so they'll need to be taped together. And then I traced it out onto my fur fabric with a yellow Sharpie, just kind of getting a light color in there. Then I cut out all of those pieces, and then the fun part, you gotta sew the pieces together. So you got the strips that go around the side, and then those edges, and it took me forever to sew all of this together. On to the sewing montage, where I'm just sewing for days and days because my sewing machine didn't want to work. You just gotta sit your butt in front of the camera. You're so funny. You say, talk to the butt. You'll see as the video progresses, I moved from sewing to hot gluing just because I was so tired of sewing, but you would normally want to sew all of it together and also choose a better fabric than I chose. As you can see, it's very floppy. So I used hot glue and pipe cleaners to make it not flimsy. Onto the ears. So cutting out the ear shapes of Momo with a cut out in the inside where I cut all those pieces into smaller pieces. I cut those then out of felt, two different colored felts to mimic the inside of Momo's ears. So trace them, cut them out, and then you're going to see me gluing them together. So like for the ears, it probably doesn't matter if you hot glue them, but just from here on out, you're just going to see me hot gluing everything because I'm tired. I'm tired of sewing and I just want to get it done. And so here I am hot gluing the little pieces of the ears together. Then I'm hot gluing the outside to the inside of my ears. So I did them so that the outside and inside are fluffy. And then I lined them with pipe cleaners to try and help them stay up. However, that didn't really do much. So after I cut them all out, do all this, I mark where I want them to land on my head. Probably could have done this better without wearing the hat, but that's just how I did it. This is not a sewing channel, so if you expect great quality out of the clothing materials that I make or clothing items, you in the wrong place. And now we back at it again with the hot glue because your girl's tired of sewing. Is that Uncle Ira? He sounds like Uncle.
You said that, and I'm like, he does sound like. It's the same guy.
I knew it. I know Uncle Iro when I hear him. So after sewing another panel of the ears to the back, I have a space where I can put my stuffing in. So now the ears actually stand up because pipe cleaners, like I said, don't really do anything. So here is my Momo hat. It's not on par with the, what's it called? It's not on par with the, why can't I think of his name? Appa. I knew it was with an A, and I was like, not Amanda, that's my name. It's not on par with the Appa hat. Did not choose the right fabric. There's way too much hot glue going on, but you get the gist, okay? Like, I am Momo. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it. Shout out to this girl for her TikTok on her Appa hat, which inspired my Momo hat. I will be posting this on TikTok for everybody to see. Probably we're doing weird dance, so yeah. But thanks for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, that would be amazing. You don't have to, but that would be great. Momo would want you to. It's a potty party. We got all the babies. We got a floofy butt, we got a pretty girl, and we got a baby boy.